Hey traders, today is a rather short video, but I wanted to introduce you a short trick which can make your life easier. First, I describe the problem. If you develop something, you may want to test it across multiple brokers, and therefore you have to use multiple terminals. In this example, I created test EA version 1, and I have another terminal from RoboForex where this EA is not present right now. As you know, every terminal has its own data folder, and the problem here is that if we use more than one or two terminals, we have to copy our files between all these folders each and every time we make some changes and want to test them. This can lead to errors, you can override something that you did not want it to override, and it's inconvenient. So here in the MetaTrader terminal, I already have the test EA, and now I would have to go into the same directory structure from the other broker, and I would need to copy it over, and I would have to do this every time I make a change for every terminal. This is not very convenient, and yeah, it can lead to errors very easily. To avoid this, I show you a trick where you can have one directory where you store all your code bases and you can access them from all terminals at one time. I created a folder coding on my hard disk C, and this is going to be the folder every terminal will have access to in a minute, and I show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open up a terminal. Therefore, you type in here cmd. For the command prompt, you must run it as administrator. And then you go to the terminal you want to link your program to, open the data folder. You go to the MQL5 expert folder, and we need now this address. So we right click over here, copy the address, and we go to our command prompt and enter cd, and just right click here and it will fill the copied part, so we can directly switch into it. And now we enter mk-link/d for directory. We need to specify a target. I call it coding here too. And we must tell where the link should point to. In my case, it was C coding. As you can see right now, here is nothing available, and the terminal folder itself has nothing in it. So if I do this now, I created a symbolic link into this terminal, and if I refresh, I have here my coding folder and the test EA. Now you have to repeat the step on every terminal you want to have the folder linked. Therefore, again, you open the data folder, go to the expert folder. Once again, right click here, copy the address, go back to the command line, cd into that folder, and once again, enter the mk-link/d coding C coding command, or whatever your folders are. And since you press enter here and refresh, you now can also access the coding folder you created on C in this terminal. And once you make a change to that file, it will apply to all terminals at the same time. If you don't know how to code yet, this is no problem. You can visit my friend Mr. Capfree on his YouTube channel, where he shares multiple EAs and teaches you how to code step by step. I hope this helped. If you liked the tip, drop me a comment, leave me a like, and see you next time. Happy trading!